Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today we're making protein-packed breakfast pancakes. Simple, fluffy and absolutely delicious. Each serving packs about 31 grams of protein, giving you the perfect energizing start to your day. Start by adding your flours to a mixing bowl. I'm using a blend of all-purpose flour and spelt flour, but oat or whole wheat flour will work just fine. Add baking powder, sugar or your preferred sweetener, and don't forget the salt, it really bumps up the flavor. For a savory version, just reduce the sugar and add a touch more salt. Next, add cottage cheese, milk and melted butter. Finally, crack in 3 large eggs and whisk everything together until you have a thick, smooth batter. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes for a fluffier pancake. Preheat a lightly oiled pan over medium heat. Pour in a ladle of batter and cook until the edges start to dry and small bubbles form in the center, about 2 minutes. Flip and cook for another minute or until the pancake is golden and fluffy. Serve warm with your favorite topping, jam, honey or even a dollop of Greek yogurt. I like to finish mine with a swirl of pine needle honey as I really like its flavor. And that's it, quick, simple and delicious to boot. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Until next time, bon appetit!